What up, what up, what up? What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jamal, the credit protector. This is going to be a pretty short video. I'm going to go over 6 banks that you can do pre-approval funding for that have no hard pull. These are going to be actual banks. Some are part of the top 5 biggest banks in the United States. The great thing about this is that you'll be able to see not only if you're pre-approved, but a lot of these banks are now showing you which credit cards you're actually being pre-approved for. This is a more recent trend that's sprouted up and become more prevalent in the past 2 years, definitely since the pandemic. So let's hop right into it. So first up, Capital One. We know Capital One is both loved and hated. Typically, you're going to be on one or the other side. So you can go here, see if you're pre-approved. It'll take you down. You can choose which one you're interested in: travel rewards, no annual fee, cash back. State your case, choose whatever one you want, or you can just skip the question. You'll click the green button, and then you'll just fill out the application and information. I just did this not too long ago, so it's probably going to tell me that I can't do it again. Here, with the pre-approval, this is a soft pull. So they're going to show you what you may qualify for. You're going to choose the credit card that you actually like, and then you'll submit the official application and request. Upon submission of the official application and request, there will be a hard pull. The great thing is that you're not wasting hard pulls applying for cards that you're not eligible for. Next up, we got Truist. This is a staple in the game. Truist is still allowing you to not only get pre-approved with a soft pull, but you can also get approved with that same soft pull. I've seen clients and others get approved for up to 4 credit cards with no hard pull whatsoever. I completed the soft pull. I went to Equifax. I froze my Equifax. I came back to the Truist website for as many of the Truist credit cards that they would approve me for. In my instance, for 1 credit card, no hard pull whatsoever. To this day, I never got a hard pull, and I still have my Truist credit card. So Truist is an absolute game changer when it comes to getting funding with 0 hard pulls. This works amazingly well on the personal side. Right now, they don't really have any soft pull pre-approvals for business credit cards. Next, we got Discover. Discover is super straightforward. You'll input all your information right here. They don't ask for too much. You'll click check now. The very next screen is going to show you all the cards that you qualify for, including their secured cards. Discover also has personal loans. You can do the same thing, be pre-approved for the personal loan. You'll input how much you want, all the way up to 40,000. And then you'll decide what you're using it for: medical expenses, major purchase, credit card refinancing, vacation, whatever. Boom, check your rate. When you check your rate, it's going to give you how much you're pre-qualified for, your terms, and it's going to show you the interest rate. Once you see your terms, your interest rate, you can then move forward with officially submitting your application, and they'll do a hard pull. SoFi. So SoFi has a lot of different items that you can get pre-qualified for with no hard pull. One of their major items is going to be the personal loans. So personal loans right here. You see here, check your rate. Checking your rate will not affect your credit score. So you'll click on view your rate. You'll go through here, input all your personal information. it's going to ask the same basic information, right? Your name, all your personal information, your income, what type of job you have, how long you've been at the job, and then they'll do a soft pull of your credit and show you how much you've been pre-approved for. The last time I did this, my client was pre-approved for 30,000, even though we only requested 20. Now, when you go to the end with a loan, they're going to need some kind of proof of income. This can be your bank statements, tax returns, W-2, 1099, or in some instances like SoFi, they can also just connect directly to your bank account using Plaid. Next up is Wells Fargo. They actually have a pre-qualified pre-approval tool for their credit cards. Is asking here, are you an online customer? Now, Wells Fargo, regardless of their history, they are still very much so relationship driven. I would recommend to take full advantage of this. Go ahead, open up an account with Wells Fargo, establish your online relationship, online banking with Wells Fargo, and then double back to use their pre-qualification tool. Same thing, you'll click this, fill out all the information. It will show you all of the credit card offers that you are pre-qualified for. Once you accept, it will be a hard pull. Last, we got City. All right. So in this instance, you can come to where it says credit cards, click see if you're pre-qualified, and it'll bring you to this page. You scroll down a little bit, input all your information here. Click authorize, see my offers. On the next screen, it's going to show you all of the cards that Citibank offers. Citibank pulls Equifax. On this website is going to show you all of the in-house Citibank cards. So like your Premier card, your Citi Diamond Preferred, your Simply card, or even the Double Cash card. Pro tip: when you're running these soft pulls, you can try is you can submit the soft pull, submit your soft pull, go to the bureau that you know that credit card or that bank is going to pull from, freeze that bureau, then turn around, come back to the pre-approval screen and click accept. See if that works to where it'll let you get approved for the card without a hard pull. Also works with Truist. It might work with Citi. Heard mixed results about it working with SoFi that pulls Experian. Okay. Let me know how this works out for y'all. In the meantime, in between time, y'all have an absolutely amazing evening, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.